when I had got out of jail and all that, like, my car had got repossessed, right? So the first thing to me, y'all, was like, I was like, yo, when I get in the position that, you know, where I want to be, I wasn't going to finance no more. I'm like, nah, ain't nobody going to be able to take my shit back no more. I just walked into a motherfucking dealership and spent $250,000 with a do-rag on. Like, what the fuck? I'm about to wire $232,000 right now, purchasing my new truck. You know what I mean? So imagine going from, like, bankruptcy, jail, everybody talking shit about you, everybody telling you the worst person on the planet and everything bad and blah, 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 to being able to do shit like this right here, man. Life is crazy. Listen to this, man. Everybody be thinking that you gotta play sports and be an athlete or a rapper or some shit like that. Like, we're gonna make it. Entrepreneur is the new way. Y'all should all be focusing on being entrepreneurs, fam. Like, everything else don't even matter. My people that's been following me for a long time, I know there's some of y'all that's brand new just found out about me, like, probably even today. But, like, people that's been following me for a long time, y'all don't watch the journey, man. Like, this is not... Like, this ain't even, like, no flex, right? For me, man, I've been in a position where I had to fight for every dollar. I was completely broke. I slept on an air mattress for 3 months that deflated every night. I don't care what you're going through right now. Like, I know some of the stuff I experienced in the past 3 years from being locked up to now. Like, you can change your life. You just gotta make the decision, man. If you really want something, it's a proud moment, but it's not even anything to cry about. Like, this is just the beginning of, like, the hard work that I put in. If you just know where you've been at right now, like, that you can still come out of where you are and then still live the life you want to live. I honestly don't value, like, cars that heavily. I've been putting in the work. I'm in the position. Like, let's make it happen.
You want to go ahead and sign the paper?
Yes, absolutely.
This is the bill of sale, shows the selling price, our dock fee. I guess we're not collecting tag and titles. And then that's our privacy act that we do not share.
So share your information. Yeah.
In North Carolina, were you in the car business?
I ran Rick's Buick store in Alabama, turned that into the #1 Buick store in the Southeast. Worked at the Chevy store in Cary. Like, as a salesperson, I was doing like 300 plus cars a year. So a little bit of car experience. The funny thing, y'all, so the first time I got behind the wheel of the Lambo truck was in Vegas earlier this year. And I didn't know I put that bitch in gear. So the Urus got 640 horsepower?
640 horsepower. It's a twin turbo V8. And
I just got 640 horses, y'all. Ooh wee. Hey y'all, they got a red one that's crazy.
yeah, both of these are sold.
Oh shit. Back up a little bit.
Yeah, that one's got tinted windows.
Damn.
Sold already. Both of them sold.
I'm trying to see what that bill look like though. Ooh. I ain't telling no lies. Ooh, shit. Straight cash, homie. Let's go. Let's get you ronaproof. Get into this bag. Yeah, buddy. Everybody showing love. I appreciate y'all for real. It's a big deal too, man. There's been a lot that went into getting to even be in this position, man.